Whoa, wait, where am I? It's so wet and bright. Oh no, I'm moving. Am I alive? What is this place? Cut to a close-up of a small wriggling mosquito larva in water. Hi, I guess I was just born? This feels weird. I can't breathe air yet. I'm underwater. Everything's huge and scary. I'm just a tiny wriggling noodle with a big head. Not very cute, huh? They call me a larva right now. I'll be like this for a few days, just wiggling around, trying to eat tiny bits floating in the water. Yuck, but hey, it's food. Soft tension music starts to rise. Oh, and guess what? I already have to watch my back. There are fish in here, big ones, even other insects. They want to eat me. I've been alive for like 5 minutes. Give me a break. Okay, panic mode. That fish almost got me. Can't even enjoy a snack without becoming one. Living in this water is like playing a game where the rules are, don't die. And the game never stops. Not even at night. Ever had a beetle try to bite your face while you're asleep? Yeah, not fun. Time-lapse showing the larva growing. Days go by, I grow, I change. I shed my skin a few times. Weird, right? And then I feel it. I'm changing again. Not just a little. A lot. Transition to pupal stage. Now I'm a pupa, like a weird comma with a helmet. I can't eat anymore. Just float. Waiting. It's quiet. Too quiet. Then everything changes. I did it. I made it out of the water. I'm standing on top of it. That's kind of cool. I feel different. I've got wings, legs, a long thing on my face. I'm me. I'm a mosquito. Tries flying, stumbles, finally takes off. Way, I'm flying. This is amazing. The wind in my wings. I'm alive. I'm a bird. That was a bird. That thing almost ate me just now. Welcome to the sky. It's just like the water, but scarier. Birds, bats, humans with swatters. It's a war zone up here. And then, the hunger starts. It's not like before. This is something else. Deeper. I need blood. Cut to mosquito sensing carbon dioxide in the air. That smell, that warm, sweet air. That's a human. That's where the blood is. I don't want to be this. I'm not evil. I'm just hungry. My body needs blood to make eggs. That's how it works. I get blood. I lay eggs. And the cycle goes on. I didn't choose this. But humans hate me. I get it. I really do. I spread diseases. Some I don't even know I'm carrying. They call me a killer. They call me a pest. And they're right. But for me, this is survival. Just staying alive one more day. Dodging hands, sprays, nets. I never asked to be born like this. Human slaps at the mosquito. Misses. That was close. Too close. Every second is a fight. Every moment I'm hunted. And even when I do manage to feed, I still have to lay my eggs. Back to the water. The same water where I almost died. The cycle begins again. You might think I'm just a tiny, annoying bug, but I have a life. A dangerous, short, crazy life. Maybe only a few weeks. Maybe just days. But I live it. It sucks to be born as a mosquito. From the moment I hatch, it's nonstop running, or flying, or hiding, or escaping. I didn't choose this. I don't even understand it. But I exist. I'm part of something bigger. So next time you see a mosquito, yeah, go ahead and swat me. I get it. But maybe, just for a second, remember, I'm just trying to make it too. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, then like and subscribe.